Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You will then be able to see the diesel filter. Take off the engine cover. Remove the two-part air inlet conduit fitting. Then remove the first part of the conduit. Using multi-grip pliers, squeeze the two edges of the hose clamp to free it from its holding. Then slide it. Using a flathead screwdriver, unscrew the clamping clip on the air inlet conduit. Remove the duct from its attachment by sliding it to the side. Then remove the duct. Unplug the connector on the airflow meter. Then remove the airbox, which is clipped onto its bracket. Disconnect the electrical connections. Then, using pliers, disconnect the hose by pushing down on the white coloured part. Then, disconnect the second hose by pressing on the black part with your fingers. Take a liquid collector for the diesel that will flow out of the filter. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. Take out the filter. Place a container to collect the liquid underneath.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
One part of the diesel filter does not get replaced. You must recuperate this from the old one. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, lever the filter off, pushing on the casing to remove it. Remove the two seals using a flathead screwdriver. Replace the seals with those provided in the new filter box, taking care to properly oil the surface. Get your hands on the new filter and reinsert the casing into it. Push down firmly to fix it in place. Put the filter back in place. Then reclip the first hose. Then reconnect the second hose. Reconnect the electric connector. Pump the primer pump a little to get the circuit working again. Reinstall the airbox. Reconnect the airflow meter. Put the air inlet conduit back in. Screw the clamp back on. Using multi-grip pliers, put the hose clamp back. Put the second part of the conduit in place. Then the two-part fitting. Reinstall the engine cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.